So after purchasing your Klein Funding Challenge account, you're going to be greeted with this interface on your dashboard. So this is my dashboard and this is my interface right now. It's saying, let's set up your account. Your account is ready to be set up for the first time. API and secret key. And if you're wondering, how do I get this? And remember, we signed up, we purchased this account using Bybit. So in this particular video, I will show you how to connect your API and secret key from Bybit to Klein Funding. Now, when you do this, automatically you'll be trading using the Bybit interface, using the Bybit exchange. And once you're trading from that place, everything is going to be what? Reflecting on your Klein Funding account. And that is why what I really love about Klein Funding, because they provide you with a very solid exchange that you can connect with, which is Bybit or Binance. So for this one, we'll be working with the Bybit and I'll be connecting everything step by step. Now, if you don't know how to purchase a funded account, please watch my previous video, which is this particular video right here, buy a funded account. And that video is going to show you step by step on how to get your own funded account. Now, if you're wondering what is Klein Funding, how does it work, what are the rules, please come here and watch this particular video on everything about Klein Funding and their rules and everything, their prices and everything. Watch this video to learn everything about that. Now, if you are new to my channel and you're seeing my video for the first time, you are welcome to Blockchain Plus. In this place, I make crypto simple and profitable for you. So do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon if you love this video. That way, you're going to be notified anytime I drop valuable information like this. All right, with that said, let's go back to today's video. So how do we connect our API and everything? Now we are using our Bybit. So this is a Bybit account. This is my own Bybit account. Now in this Bybit account, we are going to be doing one thing first. The thing you're going to be doing first is to create a sub account. All right, so if you see, if I come to this place right here, you can see switch/create sub account. If I also come down, you can see sub account. So you can go to any of them. So I'm going to, if you click here, it's going to take you to where to create sub account. If you also click here, it's going to take you to the same place. So I'm just going to click on this sub account right here, the one down. Now, this particular one now will open your sub account dashboard where you can see if you have any sub account or not. Now, right now, I don't have a sub account. You can see right here. So I'll click on this place to create a sub account. You can see create a sub account right here. So I'll just click on it. Now we have standard sub account, we have AI sub account, we have custodial trading sub account, and Islamic sub account. So we are going to go with standard sub account. Just choose the standard sub account. So you are going to give your sub account name, sub account nickname. So I'm going to name this Klein Klein Challenge. Right, so I'm just going to name it Client Challenge, which is just the nickname I want to use. So you can see this is one we are using, standard, not the AI sub account. So make sure it is this one that is highlighted, not this one. If I click on this now, I can see is this one that is highlighted, this thing, AI sub account. Make sure it's this one that is highlighted, standard. You understand? So this particular one now, this standard sub account now, you can see require password for login. You can set require password for login, or you can just leave it like that because it's just my challenge account. So I'll click on confirm. So as you can see right here, we've created the sub account. This is the sub account. You can see it right here. Now the next thing you want to do after creating your sub account is to come to that same place where you see your face, which is this one. Then you see we have sub account Klein Funding, which is this one. This is my main account. This is the sub account. So I will switch to this sub account now. I'll just click on the sub account to switch to that one instead of being on my main account. So you have to be on your sub account before you create your API key. Now this is my sub account. As you can see we've changed to sub account here. We're no longer on my main account. So this is my sub account. Now under the sub account, now you can see we have demo trading right here. So I can click on it to open it. Sorry. So let me click on it to open the demo trading. So you can see it says welcome to demo trading. right? So now we've created our sub account and we have also switched to the sub account. Now the next thing we want to do is to now create our API key. So let's wait for this to load up before we create our API key. All right, so you can see the whole interface is loaded right now. So let me see. So once everything is loaded like this, you come back to this place, you can see API. You can see API. Now that's the only thing you're seeing here. So I'll click on the API for my sub account. So let's see. Let's wait for this place to load. You can see in this place there is no API right here. Everything is empty. So I'll click on create new API. So I'll just click on create new API. So I will choose system generated, not self. Just go with the system generated API. Then right here, I'm going to name it. Let me just name it client challenge 1. Then I will make sure it is on read write, not read only. Make sure it's on read write. Then here, keep it on no IP, because if you look at this place, we are not giving IP, right? So we leave it on no IP. Then you come down, you choose unified trading, because that is where you have what futures trading, which is contract. You can see it right here. You can see contract right here. You can also see USDC contract and all of that. So you can also choose assets. Let me just click on asset again, so that I'll just tick everything. Doesn't really change anything, right? So I'll just click on submit. So now you can see the API key has been created. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here and go to my Klein Funding and paste it right there. Switch back, copy the secret and go to my Klein Funding and paste it right here. Now, next thing I will do, let me just click and see if it's going to be successful. Once this is successful, the next thing I will do, I will now save those details as a notepad in case anything happens. Because once you click on this, I understand, you can only see your secret or key. You will just see one of them. We'll check that out once this is done, because already I have an account here. So let's see. Okay, balance adding completed. As you can see, it says start trading, and let's switch over to our Bybit. So now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to save it. Please make sure you save your own too. I'm going to just block this part because it's my own API key. So I'm going to also copy the secret and I'm going to save it. The reason I'm saving it is in case something happens, you don't want to start a new one, because if you start a new one, um, maybe it may not really work as it's supposed to work, right? So I'm just going to save this and then I click on I understood. So once you click on I understood, you can see API secret is not seen anymore. You can't see it. You can see the only one you can see is the API key, right? So let's now go over to our trading features. So let me open trading and features. Let me come back to this place, start trading. So yeah, so this is everything right now. You can see this is an account of $10,000. I've not started doing anything. Balance is 10,000. Profit is 800. Daily drawdown is this. Profit target is 800. Daily drawdown is this. Let me switch to maximum drawdown is 800. So now you understand how to get this done. Everything is set up. Once you set up your own like this, the next thing is for you to start trading. But before you start trading, I will advise you to wait and watch the next video I'm going to do, so that I will explain to you how to actually pass this challenge with ease. So let's go back to our Bybit account. This is our Bybit. Let's see. Let's go to our balance. Okay, let me see assets right here. Let me see assets. So let me go to assets. So as you can see right here, this is the account. So you can see is 10,000. USDT is 10,000, but the conversion is 999, of course, because of their conversion rate here. So this is the account right here, unified trading. Everything is set up. Now the next thing you want to do is to start trading. So guys, I believe you have understood how to link your account to your Bybit from Klein Funding. If you have any question concerning all I have done so far, just use the comment section and drop your question, and I will be in my comment section attending to your questions. All right, so before I leave you on this video, so let's just look at this is the trading interface. Now, if you just scroll down to this unified trading account, you can see right here, this is cost margin, and you can see right here, margin balance is 10,000, available balance is 10,000. So this is what we have. We've not started trading, and my hope is that, and my prayer is that we pass this challenge in this one sitting. All right, guys, so that is it for me in this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.